Hey everyone, welcome back. Is DramaBox refusing to install or update because of a not enough storage error? Here's the fix. Firstly, go to your settings app, then go to general, go to iPhone storage and let the list fully load. This shows you exactly which apps are taking up the most space. Tap offload app on a few large apps you do not use often, which removes the app but it keeps its documents and data. Also check photos and messages since large photo libraries and old messages or attachments are common hidden storage hogs. Once you fill up at least 1 to 2 gigabytes, go back to the App Store and try reinstalling or updating DramaBox again. If the error persists even when you are with free space, then restart your iPhone completely since a full restart resets how iOS calculates available storage and clears the stock storage cache. So all you gotta do is free up storage in iPhone storage, then offload unused apps, restart if needed, DramaBox installs and updates cleanly, and that's it. Subscribe.